Hello lovelies and welcome to my channel. I'm truly Tara and here we do unboxings and reviews, and today I have Jeffree Star and I'm very excited. This is the Halloween box. It's the deluxe. Let me see. I'm pretty sure. Okay, it's the Mystery Halloween Supreme. And then I got the mystery treat as well. I got the mystery treat simply because it would have been, I think that my camera is acting crazy. So sorry, but I have got to do this because I'm excited and I want to get it out. I'm so happy that I got it today. Okay. What was I saying? Yeah. If I wouldn't have got, it was another $1, and then my shipping would have been free. So getting the treat was basically like free because another $1. And am I making sense? Like, and now I don't know what the treat is. So that kind of sucks. But let me tell you something. My gosh. Here's the size of the box. And it is slam full. Slam full. Ugh. Bam. I should have worn my hat. Darn it. Alright, so here we have these. And it is, I don't wear Crocs. I might have to find somebody that wears Crocs. Okay, we got the Supreme Frost, which is lip. I have so much lip stuff. Oh, no. This is the, ooh, that's a different color, too. The last one that I got was like just like glitter. So this is more of a bronzer. Okay, where to go? Okay, another Skin Frost highlighting blush. Ooh. Yeah. Love the packaging. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's going to be fun. Wow. Oh my gosh. I wish I had a thing. I don't want to stick my finger in it. I just don't. Okay. So now we have a bunch of his eyeshadows. Oh my gosh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eyeshadows. Yeah, I see like the black, the gray, okay, Obituary, and What? CEO, Weirdo. I love the Weirdo just because I say Weirdo all the time. Star Creek, and Celebrity Skin. Old Hole Song. Okay. Now next we have, it looks like lipstick. And it is. And I have a bunch of these. So I'm just going to put this back down in there. Another. I almost hate to open it because I'm sure that I have the color. Yeah, you got the black. Okay, one more. Oh, and there's a couple more eyeshadows down in there. Yep. Okay. That's a different color. That looks, maybe. Yeah, it's just, yeah, it looks like a reddish brown. Like, I have a lot of his colors. Yeah, that's definitely red. I like it. I have just really started to like red. Red, I don't know, like it's got to be a certain color red. Okay. It's got to be like dark red. If it's too dark, then it's crazy. If it's too bright, it's crazy. Okay, so we got Glamour Shot and Prick. Okay. All right. So next we have the liquid lip threesome minis. So I'm not going to open that. I'm going to leave that. That's going to be a Christmas present. Um, ooh, Cavity Skin Frost Highlighter Palette. Okay. And there we go. I feel like I've got that before. It's just different packaging. Okay. So interesting. Cavity. Like, I know I've not got that, but I have the small, I don't know. I have something very similar. Okay. So now we have the, and I'm definitely going to keep this in the packaging because I lost my last lid. So I want to keep this in the box because it fell off of my dresser and I lost my lid and it just sucks. So we'll keep that one in the box. Here's another. Okay. Very pretty. I used to hate red and now I don't know. I'm digging it a little bit. Ooh, okay. So now we have some eye gloss. Voyeurism. Oh, come on. It took me like 20 minutes to get the box open. Like I sat here for like 5 minutes trying to get it open. And even with the having a razor knife to open it, I could not get into it. Just gonna rip this puppy. I hate I hate to do that, but okay. So I have a couple of these also. Pretty. Okay. My TV just like popped on. I'll like turn it down because I hope you haven't been able to hear it the whole time. And it won't go down. Go down. Go off. Go something. There it goes. Okay. Oh, okay. This is different. Jeffree Star Skin Wyoming Winter Lip Oil. Ooh. Now this is something new to me. Nice. That's a nice big old bottle. Ew. Nice. Those wear well together. Okay. Ooh, something else I do not have. Liquid Star Shadow. I do have one of these. I do have one of these, but it's just that clear, just it doesn't look like much of anything. It just looks like glitter, and I really don't like that. So that's interesting. Very orange. Not really big on orange, but I get it. You know, it's a good color for now, which is fall, Halloween. It is, oh my gosh. All right. Okay, so I'm just going to show you instead of saying it in case there are kids. Don't want them to hear it. Oh, okay. So is this, okay, what do we got? Oh, it's mascara. Nice. Oh, I love Jeffree Star stuff. Like, it's just, I will never wear blue. I don't know. I might for Halloween, though. Like, that just might be what I do for Halloween. So gotta love it. All right. Next we have cremated. Holy moly. I don't have this one. And I think, oh, if I'm not mistaken, this is one that one of my girls, like, she's dying to get. So there she is. There's cremated. Wow. It's beautiful. I don't want to get into it. Just simply, if this is the one that my girl has been wanting, then it's going to go to her. If not, then I'll play with it. But if this is what Autumn has been wanting, which I think, oh my, and there's still something huge in here. And I don't know what the treat is, by the way. Maybe the cremated was the treat. I don't know. Okay. Oh my word. What? Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Oh my gosh. So cool. Oh, where's my... There it is. Okay. I definitely don't want to screw up the packaging on this. Wow. Oh, come on. I mean, they make this stuff where it is hard to get into. I appreciate it. Trust me. I have people come into the store all the time, and stuff that isn't packaged really well, I mean, they will get right into it if they don't just stick the whole thing down their pants or in their backpack or what have you. Oh my gosh, I can't. There's like one... come on, I don't want to mess the box up. Okay, there we go. I think. Okay, we're in. Oh my gosh, it's just... wow. Oh my gosh, it's a mirror. How absolutely amazing is that? Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Like, this is going to go on my wall. Like, this is too cool. Wow, I had no idea. I was looking in there like, I mean, I knew it was a cleaver, but it was like, is that a palette? What is that? I don't watch a lot of other people's videos because I don't want the surprise to be ruined for me. So y'all probably already knew. I had no idea what was happening. So that was a lot of fun. That was a lot of fun. So Jeffree Star, you know how to do it. You make my day. So fun, fun, fun. All right. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. If you know somebody that is crazy about makeup, just crazy, like, send them my way. Because we like to have fun here. Like, I love that everybody's been commenting, and gosh, we're getting close to Wednesday, because Wednesday or Thursday we're gonna have a giveaway to, and I haven't really been putting it out there, so I know I should, but Wednesday or Thursday we'll do probably another kitty race, but I'm looking at your comments. I want you to be first. If you're not first, I get it, because everybody can't, because I work, I understand that. So, and I wore this shirt because it's Nightmare Before Christmas. It's Halloween-y. Like, I know you can see my stupid bra, but it's just us. So, all right. I'm going to shut up now. So, I'll see you guys in the next.